barbecue meatloaf. For this recipe, you're gonna need a chopped up onion, 3 to 4 cups of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 cup of instant potato flakes, whatever brand you want to use, but make sure they're flakes, 3 pounds of beef or beef substitute like ground turkey or ground pork, and a 32-ounce bag of cheese crackers. We're going to start by crunching up the crackers and making them nice and small. Then we're going to add the meat to a bowl, add our favorite chopped onions, and then go ahead and add our crackers to it. We're going to mix it really well. This is where we get our fingers dirty, guys. The whole thing is mixing with fingers, so get used to it. Add 2 cups of barbecue sauce at this point. Mix that up really well as well. Then we're going to add our potato flakes and mix that in very good too. We're going to season it with Montreal steak seasoning, which is one of my favorite things to use for beef. We're also going to use a honey hickory seasoning. You get it from Grill Mates. Just look for it in your seasoning aisle. Sea salt or your favorite salt, whatever you prefer. And go ahead and sprinkle some pepper on there too. Again, we're going to mix well. Then we're going to pour it into a 9x13 pan. Glass or metal, it doesn't really matter. You're going to flatten it to fill in the pan and then add 1 to 2 cups of barbecue sauce on top of that. You're going to set the oven to 450 degrees and bake for 45 minutes or until done.